Welcome to Cheryl's Kitchen. Today we're going to make banana nut bread. The ingredients consist of 3 bananas, I use 4, a cup and a half of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of walnuts, those are optional, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter. So the first thing we need to do is peel and mush your bananas.
They look a lot better than they did in the skin.
Yeah, you want to use ripe bananas.
Very ripe.
Now we're going to start off by putting all of our dry ingredients at the bottom of the bowl. Sugar. Salt. Baking soda. And in our egg. Butter. And lastly, your bananas. So all of our ingredients are in the bowl. So we're going to put it on our mixer. And there's a lot of questions on how to put the bowl on a professional 600 mixer. And it's really as simple as that.
Just those 2 tabs and then push down.
Yep. And we're going to put our mixer on. We're ready to rock and roll. So I'm going to lift it up. And I'm going to turn it on to mix it. Okay, so our batter's mixed. Now we're going to put our nuts in. We're really only going to fold the nuts into the batter. I'm just going to put it on stir. That should be good. Now we can put it in our pans. So the oven is set to 325, and this batch made 4 mini loaves. I like the mini loaves because they're easier to portion. So we're going to put them in the oven until they turn golden brown, and then I'm going to take a toothpick and poke it in, and if it comes out clean, we'll know they're done. Okay, let's see if they pass the test. That batch does. That one can use a little bit more. So I'm just going to take the top 2 out.
They look good.
Delicious. So let's test these. Oh, much better. These ones took about 2 minutes longer than the other ones, being a total of about 40 minutes.
Yeah, those look good too.
So let's give it a try. Very moist. So from Cheryl's Kitchen, the end.